Today I'm making laundry detergent, and I have my ingredients here. I have some borax, I have some washing soda, and I have half a bar of soap that I've grated, and I'm going to be using lots of water. My first step is to take the grated soap right here, and I'm going to put it in a pot. I'm going to add 2 cups of water. And I'm going to cook this until the soap is melted. The soap has melted on the stove into the water, and the next step is to add 20 cups of hot water to my pail. I have 20 cups of hot water in the pail here, and I'm going to add the other ingredients. I'm going to add the melted soap. I have a 1/4 cup of borax and half a cup of washing soda. And I'm going to give that a stir. I always wondered why I bought this great big spoon. The next step is to add 20 more cups of hot water. I've added all the water, so I'm going to give it another stir. And after that, now I'm going to let that sit for 24 hours and it'll gel a bit, and then I will bottle it. Well, I've filled 3 bottles so far. This is a very inexpensive recipe. I filled 4 bottles, 2 laundry detergent, 2 orange juice. It's plenty of laundry detergent for me for a year as a single person, and I could probably give a bottle away. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.